Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to change the alignment in Google Sheets. So, the alignment it is used to describe how a text is placed on the screen. To learn in more details, you can come back here later. So, this is how we are going to implement this video. Now, let's get started. So over here, I have created a simple expense Excel sheet that uses my name and the month and the amount I have spent in this month. So let's say now as if you click over here, you will see that it is currently on left align. So it is left aligned. If I click on center, now the text is centered, but all these names they are not centered. So to place all the names at the center, I need to select all. Let's say I need to select all this and just click on the alignment button and click on center. Now all of these are aligned. Now if I just write my name again, so now it is going on the left. It is starting from the left align again. So this is the problem, because if so every time I write my name, it will be over here and I have to select these two and just click on center manually if I want them to be center aligned. But if I type my name again, you will see it started from the left. If I want to fix this problem, what I have to do is select on the column header, the A, click on the A and just click on the alignment button and select center align. Now every time I'm going to write my name, it will be in the center. Now for this row, if I want the month's name to be starting from the in the right corner, I can use the right align. So now everything is now at the right. Now if I want this to be left aligned, I can just click on the column header C and just click on the left align. Now this is how you can use the alignment buttons. So if I every time I enter an amount, let's say 600, it will stay in the left. Let's say 500, it will stay in the left. Every time I enter let's say a month name, it will stay like this. So this is how you can use the alignment in Google Sheets. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have learned how to change the alignment in Google Sheets. So thank you for watching.